Smith's Alumni Directory, long used as a resource for building connections, has a new name, the Network. I'm here today to offer you a virtual tour. We hope you'll log in and update your info so you can connect with fellow alums, students, and the college. On the web, the network has a new look, enhanced privacy features, and more user-friendly navigation. Visit smith.edu/network to learn more. On mobile devices, it is available as a downloadable app via the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for the Smith College Network so you can connect with alums on the go. Because Smith College prioritizes data privacy, addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses in individual alum records will now be set to private by default. It's important that you log in and click on the My Profile tab to ensure your information is up to date and your privacy settings are in place to match your interest in connecting with other alums and with current students. If you know your Smith College Network or Smith Alumni Directory login information, you can log in through your browser or the mobile app. Your current username and password will remain valid. If you are not sure, use the Reset My Password link for a self-help option. Current students and alum employees may choose to use their college login credentials. Upon login, the home page welcomes you with tabs across the top and icons allowing you to explore functionality. In addition, the bell icon in the top right will help keep you up to date on notifications and messages. The search functionality has been enhanced directly in response to feedback from our alums. You can start by typing a keyword. It can be a name, part of a name, a year, a location, an employer, etc. This will generate a list of categories that the keyword can be applied against. Click on the category. Additional search terms can be added to further filter a list. Individual search terms can be removed by clicking the X. The search results will respect all privacy settings. Results can be sorted A to Z or Z to A by name, class, or location. Now the addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses in individual alum records will default to being private. We urge you to log in and click on the My Profile tab to ensure your information is up to date and that your visibility settings are in place to match your interest in connecting with other alums, students, and the college. Click on View Your Profile in Edit mode to make changes to any data or to adjust your privacy settings. If you would like some but not all information to be visible to others, select the privacy checkboxes next to the relevant data throughout the page. Then update the directory whenever a life change happens, such as a job change or a move. If an alum has not chosen to share their contact information, you can still reach out to them through a direct message. If an alum has chosen to fully hide their profile, they will not be discoverable via search. Alums can opt in to being open to inquiries from other alums or students regarding job or internship opportunities, their career path, where they live and work, or their identities. These choices are then reflected on their profile page. Alums can also opt in to being open to volunteering for Smith in various ways. We hope you will use the directory today, where you can make new connections and help build our community. If you have feedback or questions, check out our FAQ at smith.edu/network. Use the Contact Us tab in the directory, or contact us at alumni-support@smith.edu.